First time swimming against velocity today, and it was absolutely unreal. I'm a seasoned endless pool goer, and that was something really special. Hi, my name is Richard Rees. First time in the velocity today and was really impressed. One of the things I liked was the current. Felt really natural to swim in and really powerful. I'm definitely going to be going back to Team Rees Gym and telling all my friends around about this pool. I think it's going to appeal to seasoned people who are looking for that faster current and a bigger pool size. My experience of endless pools is all about getting that natural current. And I think one of the things that I've just experienced from swimming in the pool today is that it ticks all the boxes. It's got a great, powerful current. It's really wide current as well, so you can swim a little bit offline and still get the benefits of the pool. So I think it's going to be really popular. In 3 words, how I describe the swim experience today: very powerful, very fast, and bags of fun, loads of fun.